play no D.
I call my Glock melatonin, it's gon' put his ass to sleep. How we keep sliding back to back, we put his brother on the top. No nigga fuckin' with me. I keep poppin' shit when I speak. I'm Mr. Slide in your block, believe it or not. The boys put up for
murder talk. What murder talk? Who? I got two, he's in the booth. Huncho grimy, extra slimy. I was taking packs at school. I ain't worried about no pressure. I was clutching hard at school. Nigga play round in this bitch and he gon' fuck round, make the news. Gang mobbing in this bitch and we turned up with hella tools. If niggas jumped up in this bitch, then we gon' murk they ass in twos.
I'm outside, bitch, what's the motion? Call the 556, he choking. Lil' bro, bitch, text me, she soaking. I'm drinking shit, Coca-Cola. This new chop sound like my motor. In that cat, I'm on the coaster. I got weed and I got loaders. I'm running it up like Sosa. In my trap house, we be loaded. I'm like, show me my opponent. If he want it, put it on him. I'ma drop a dot like Giannis.
I don't really fuck with folks, so watch the way that you approach. Big Glizzy at every show, cause I rap about murders and bones. If they hit my line, tell me it's good, it's time to hit the road. Last bitch I was loving, fuck the sucker, I can't trust these hoes. I'm dogging out every bitch and I'm stalking out every lick. Niggas talking heavy shit to this big or come flippy shit. F.A. why you feel like that? Cause these niggas ain't built for this. I watch my brother flood his wrist. Honestly, boy, we came from shit. Good in every section, cause niggas know we play with them sticks. I hawk a nigga down about the game, bitch, we can't go for shit. I seen niggas change and bitches change, so I stay out the mix. So cook a nigga topper with this heat like we was making grits on God.
Hello, what you say? Give me that. Come again, come again, come again. Hello, yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can turn that bitch off right there.